Hi, welcome to this video, and I'm won't be taking a long to describing this, and we are going to start to create a you can say weather bot with the help of request in just a minute. Okay, when I say a minute, it's just a minute. So first of all, you will have to get an API key from this website. It's called openweathermap.org. I already get that, and I placed it here in the notepad. Let's just quickly create a Python file. I call it scrapper.py. I misspelled that. Anyways, import request. So if you don't have request installed, you will have to do pip install and then request. That will install the request globally. If you want to work in a virtual environment, you can do that also. Let's create a variable response. Okay, request dot get, and then let's just quickly place this. You can of course use your API key. If you try to use mine, it won't work because I will remove this after this video. So just use your API key. Okay, and I guess, whoops, there we go. And here I use format so that I can place the city name, and this thing you can remove from here, and you can make it an input and city name, something like that. Okay, save it. This complete thing will give you a response. Okay, now after this we need to we will be getting a JSON data, so we can store it here, response dot JSON. Okay, now we can print it. First of all, so print data, we will get a JSON object or dictionary per se. So I can type python scrapper dot py and enter city name. For me it's Kanpur. Then here I get all the details. Pretty simple, right? We just need this to be printed in a pretty much better way. So for key comma value in data dot items, print key comma value, and let's remove this one. Save this, run this again. City name Kanpur, and here we see all the data, okay, printed. So coordinates, latitude, longitude, weather. You can get any particular thing that you want to print. For example, this temperature, we can print that also. So print data of main of temperature. Let's save this, run this. Kanpur, here we go. At the last we see that we get this data extracted. So before I end this video, I just want to tell you how all these things are working. You can just imagine that the Open Weather Maps has created their servers, and they have programmed that whenever you do a get request on this particular URL, okay, with these prompts, then you receive a response, and then this response is the JSON value. I can literally show you that this is a JSON value. Just a second, I just have to copy this, open a new tab, paste it here. In place of this thing, I'm going to change it to Kanpur, and in place of this thing I will be changing it to my API key. And then let's just copy this API key from here, copy, paste it, run it. So you see, now this is a JSON object. This is the actual JSON object that the server is returning to us, right? It have a lot of different values, right? And when we did .json, when we called .json here, this .json actually converted our JSON object into a dictionary, and then that dictionary is stored into this data variable. Here we are just unpacking and doing different stuffs with the dictionary and printing those values. And as data is just a simple dictionary, we can access the values like this with this index. So I really hope that you understand this completely, and I wish that you will follow for more. Thanks.